Hey guys, it's Tony. If you guys like my content and are watching this on TikTok, tap the screen 3 times to give me a super like. And if you're watching me on YouTube, hit that like button so the algorithm can like push me out and stuff to like other fucking people, right? Um, Anyways, I just wanted to update you guys on RKT. I didn't want to sell any calls for RKT because they had really good, their lockup period was actually ending, I think, on February 2nd. And I wanted to see what exactly happened with the stock. It's been trading flat, sideways, and a little up actually, which is absolutely amazing, right? I'm actually thinking about selling my position in Big C, which is about 40K, and I want to throw it into Rocket because I mean right now my position in RKT is about 63,000, and if I sell my Big C position, throw it in here, I'm gonna have at least $100,000 in RKT, which is what I want. I believe in this company 100%. I love it, but I did sell calls for this expiring Friday. I sold them on Wednesday, I think yesterday or Wednesday, and I picked up a quick $243 for the week. And you guys know I love selling calls on RKT because it's free money for me, right? It's like an easy like $1,000, but I didn't make as much this week because I sold them a little bit. I sold them late to the week. I usually sell them on Friday to expire for the next Friday, but I sold them Wednesday. I think I sold them Wednesday, February 3rd. I think was Wednesday. So I picked up a quick 243 bucks. It does look like these are going to go down to it does look like these are going to go down to zero, which is fantastic because that's exactly what I want. I want the cost to expire worthless. And I basically pick up the premium for free, right? If these hit about $1 or something today, I probably will be buying them back for like 27 bucks. And then more than likely, I will be selling next week calls for maybe like $24, right? And I'll probably pick up around 730 bucks or so. But yeah, just update you guys on RKT and my position, and then where exactly RKT is right now. So yeah, see you later, guys.